Hello world. How you doing? This is a lesson for the troublemakers. If you've been locked up, if you're a thug, or you think you're a thug, or being in death and life situations, this is a website for you, my friend. Okay. I'm a person that's been in trouble all my life. 37 years old, and half of it has been trouble and misery and violence and a lot of things. Finally, I have developed a way out of trouble. Is by I have developed a passion to help others, to help, basically to help people, and do the right thing and everything else. If you're a person, do you know a person that always been locked up or have a temper situation or he thinks he's a badass or whatever? Well, this is websites for you. We're gonna be talking about things that happen in prison. A lot of messed up stuff, man, that you never heard of. All right, the street life, the thugging life, or the drive-bys, and all that hustling and everything that the street brings. It has an end, which is called death. It's no good. Okay, so we're gonna talk about that. If you that person and you wanna manage your life better through a person that been through it all already and is helping those that going through it right now, well, visit this website at jesusispurelove.com. We're going to be talking about how to control that temper, when you're fighting, how to defend yourself, when you're hustling, what to do so you won't get caught. You won't believe what I'm going to teach you. And it's clean in the eyes of the Lord or in the system too. So, you're going to learn how to hustle, all right, the right way so you won't get locked up. You're going to learn how to stay out of probation the clean way. And it's a way of doing good, and you're gonna discipline yourself and guarantee that you will not touch jail again. You will not get in another fight again. People will respect you, and the most importantly, you'll be honored on your family. Understand? So come and visit us. JesusIsPureLove.com. Okay, and if you're Spanish, we got a Spanish website too, which is JesusEsPuroAmor.com. So come on over and visit us, and we're gonna teach you a lot of things that you don't know about. Okay, if you're tired of life, if you're tired of all the things going wrong, we're gonna fix your life up, man. Okay, so come visit us. Okay, my name is Pablo Ortiz, and we're gonna be fixing the world little by little. Have a good day, man.